Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apurva. I'm your dietitian. This week's video is on compilation on protein and the recipes with roasted Bengal gram. So do watch it. Thank you. Hi guys, this is Apurva. I'm your dietitian. Today's topic is on protein. Protein is one of the major nutrient and it's a macronutrient which is needed to our body on a daily basis. So let's discuss about this nutrient in detail. To eat is a necessity, but to eat intelligently is an art. Protein. It's an important nutrient for the weight loss as it boosts the metabolism. So when your metabolism is on a higher range, it helps you in weight loss. And boosting the metabolism not only helps you for the weight loss, but also it helps you to stay active throughout the day. Slower the metabolism or the lower the metabolism, you do not feel active. You feel little low throughout the day. So having protein foods helps in boosting the metabolism. The second useful thing by having the protein is it helps you to stay full whenever you have the food. And you do not feel hunger. And you will not have the hunger cravings. So this creates fullness in your tummy, and the reduced cravings will help you not munching on the refined carbohydrates or the bad carbohydrates, which I have discussed with you in my previous video. The cravings do not happen only during the day. It even happens during the night. And the night cravings are also much danger. So having protein food helps in reduced cravings throughout the day and also in the night. So let's discuss how is the protein formed. Now this protein is made from the amino acids. These are the smaller units which is not stored in our body. It is made in our body, or it should come from the food. So how do we get protein or the amino acids from the food to our body? It comes from the protein foods. So let's discuss what all foods are really required to maintain the desired amount of the protein, which is according to the recommended dietary allowance. So here are some of the foods. They are eggs, almonds, chicken, especially the breast piece, oats, milk and milk products, quinoa, lentils, seeds, especially the pumpkin seeds, fish, sprouts, all the nuts, especially almonds and peanuts, rajma, chole, all the legumes are really important to be consumed on day-to-day basis. So having these protein foods helps you in all the benefits of boosting your metabolism, creating the fullness and reduce the cravings. And not only these, having protein foods and meeting the recommended dietary allowance in the day helps you to stay healthy because it develops immunity and it helps you from lesser disease prones. It not only helps you as an adult but also for kids. These protein foods helps them to stay fit. What are the other benefits by having the proteins? Now let's discuss. It helps you in reduced blood sugars. So reduced blood sugars helps you in reduced risk of diabetes type 2, especially the type 2 which is one of the major chronic disease which is prevailing in our country and throughout the world. That is diabetes type 2, which is insulin resistant diabetes. The second benefit is it helps in maintaining the blood pressures. So the diseases which are linked with the blood sugar or the blood pressure will help in reduction. With these proteins helps in maintaining the blood sugar and not prone to the other chronic diseases. It even helps in lowering the cholesterol. So cholesterol, especially the bad cholesterol, which is LDL, is also lowered by having the protein foods. It even helps in increasing the HDL, which is the good cholesterol. And by maintaining these things, your health would be really perfect and you would stay healthy and you would not really put on your weight faster. So guys, try to maintain these recommendations which I am doing and telling it to you so that you would be able to remain fit. So the only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want and drink what you don't like and do what you would rather not. Today I've prepared 2 recipes with roasted Bengal gram. So let's get into the video and understand the procedure. First recipe of today is Bengal gram peda. The ingredients to prepare this recipe are: we require 1.5 cup of roasted Bengal gram, 1 cup of sugar and required amount of ghee. Firstly, in a bowl, take ghee and add the powdered sugar into it. Now, mix the ghee and the powdered sugar properly. In a jar, take the roasted Bengal gram and grind it to a fine powder. Now, sieve the roasted Bengal gram powder. Now, add the roasted Bengal gram powder which we have sieved into the ghee and sugar mixture and mix it properly. Now, after mixing properly, roll it into a laddu form or you can make it into a flattened peda form. So, here's the tasty, yummy roasted Bengal gram peda ready. Garnish it with pistachios or badam. So, enjoy it. So, the second recipe is Bengal gram badam laddu. So, here we go. The ingredients required to prepare this recipe are: we require 1.5 cup of roasted Bengal gram, 1 cup of organic jaggery powder and approximately 1 cup of ghee. In a jar, take the roasted Bengal gram and make it into a fine powder. Once the powder is done, add the organic jaggery powder into it and give it a grind. Now take a strainer, add this powder and sieve the flour into a bowl. Into a same jar, add the badam and give it a grind. Now add the badam powder into the sieved flour. Add the required amount of ghee and mix it properly. So here's the mixed form after adding the ghee. Now roll this mixture into a laddu form. Here's the tasty, yummy roasted Bengal gram badam laddu ready. Give it to your kids. They will surely like it and it's really healthy. Now let's discuss about some health benefits of the main ingredient roasted Bengal gram. This has a capability to control the sugar level, insulin level and lipid level. This is rich in fiber, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, manganese, vitamins, and this helps in maintaining the strength in bones. The other main ingredient is badam, which is rich in vitamin E, minerals, protein, fiber, and this also helps in lowering the blood sugar levels. And the jaggery, it is rich in iron, antioxidants, minerals, and it also helps in aiding the good digestion too. So these two recipes are yummy and they are good to give it to your kids. And if adults also want to have this, make sure you look into the portion count, and people who are overweight and who are having the diabetes, please avoid the first recipe. You can surely have the second recipe, that is Bengal gram badam laddu. This is really good and I hope you will surely like it, guys. So guys, I hope you're finding my recipes interesting. For some more interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel Apurva Dietitian by subscribing it. So guys, if you're liking my videos, hit a like button, share it with all the beautiful moms, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Apurva Dietitian. So this is Apurva signing off for the day. Let's meet next Wednesday. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.